Hello, students. Welcome to the online class of biology. Today, let's talk about the reproductive health. You know, it's taboo, it's never discussed. Whenever you say the word reproductive, people start to giggle and whisper among themselves. The bewildered look on the faces of the people and the awkward silence in the room is telling of how uncomfortable the energy has turned. In my point of view, one of the most important life skill the youth should have is the knowledge about sexual reproductive health. In India, adolescents have a striking lack of knowledge, agency, self efficacy, and decision making power, all the critical measures of empowerment that impact their sexual and reproductive health. But somewhere we have to change the attitude and eliminate stigmas and make our youth aware about the reproduction and the reproductive health in a positive manner. Reproductive health. It is the state of physical, emotional, behavioral, and social fitness for leading a reproductive life. According to WHO, a total well being in all aspects of reproduction is called a reproductively healthy person. Population of India was growing very fast after independence. So Government of India introduced the family planning program in 1951. Reproductive health problem and strategies. In Indian culture, discussing about the knowledge of sex and reproductive health is a wrong thing. Early marriages as soon as the girls they attain puberty. The teenage girls were not fit to bear the fetus. Maternal and infant mortality rate are high in early marriages. There is little knowledge about personal hygiene to avoid sexually transmitted diseases. Due to the lack of the knowledge of reproductive health, it may lead to population explosion. Strategies to attain the reproductive health. Number of programs are launched under reproductive and child health care. For example, nowadays we have Surakshit Matritva Yojana, Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. These are some of the programs which are being launched by the Government of India. Awareness programs are conducted for both male and female to lead healthy reproductive life. There is a health portal which is launched by the Government of India to create awareness among the people. Awareness creating about fertility regulating methods. This awareness is created with the help of media. Awareness creating about personal hygiene, preventing and protecting against sexually transmitted diseases. Population explosion and birth control. The increase in size and growth of human population is called population explosion. Due to the good medical facilities available in India, there is high population explosion. So, the high population explosion is due to decline in death rate, longer lifespan, decline in maternal mortality rate, decline in infant mortality rate, some religious beliefs against birth control, and lack of reproductive health knowledge. Birth control. Family welfare and family planning programs come forward to avoid the uncontrolled human population explosion. This is being controlled by the Ministry of Family Welfare and Health. The contraception is the main method to stop the population explosion. What do you mean by contraception? The prevention of conception or fertilization of ovum by the sperm is called contraception. There are different methods of contraception. First are natural method, barrier method, intrauterine devices or IUDs, oral contraception, injection and implantation, and surgical methods. We will discuss them one by one. In order to stop the population explosion and making people aware about the adoption of the birth control methods, government of India has given the incentives to those people who opt for sterilization after two children. Government of India give green card and monetary incentives to such people. So students, that's all for today. Thank you so much.